Let's get ready to fix those gaps in your Volvo sunroof. Your kit contains different sized inserts for the left and the right of the car. Begin by selecting the right-sized insert for your gap. Slightly larger is better. It'll create a tighter seal. Clean up the area and the seal channels where the insert will be snapping in place. Next, push the seal back a little to make room for installing the gap filler. It might take a little effort. Using a plastic pry tool, install the gap filler with the bottom snap first. Be careful not to drop the insert down. Now, lift the pry tool and snap the top part of the insert. Make sure the insert is snapped in place and sits properly in the channel. You may need to give the insert a small massage. Next, pull the seal back in place, tightly against the insert, and inspect your work. Before you wash your hands and call it done, make sure your drains are clear. Test and clean them if necessary. There's no need to use glue in this installation process. If your seal keeps shrinking, simply replace the insert with a bigger size.